Hi guys, Sonia Keenan here, founder of Digital Marketers Down Under and creator of DMDU Connect. I'm here with a reminder. We're now down to a few weeks until DMDU Connect kicks off on the Gold Coast, and we've still got tickets available to our special Masterclass day. That's right, we added a day 3. You mightn't have realised that. We've got the 2 days of conference sessions, and now we've convinced Molly Pittman, Russ Henneberry, Mike Rhodes and Ollie Bilson to hang around for an extra day and help us implement. That's right, implement the learnings that you got from day 1 and 2. There is less than 200 people going to be at this day, and we will break up into 4 sessions in the morning, and then those sessions will be repeated in the afternoon. So you get to go to 2 sessions. You can choose whether you want to work with Molly in the morning and Mike in the afternoon, or Russ in the morning and Ollie in the afternoon. You've got all this opportunity to work with some of the world's best digital marketers in a small group mastermind setting for a whole day. That's right, take all that actionable knowledge that you picked up from day 1 and 2 and implement it so you can grow your business. You've made the investment of time. Now it's time to really cement that learnings. Take us up on this offer. We've got very limited tickets left. I'd love to sell it out, because the more we get these people to teach us, the more they'll come back and help our communities continue to grow. I'm passionate about helping the digital marketing community grow in Australia, and I'm so excited to be able to offer people of the quality of this to you in a special Masterclass day. Details are below. Get your tickets now. They're almost sold out. It's time to lock in your ticket to day 3 DMDU Masterclass day.